Thank you everyone for coming, and especially thanks to the media people for coming here to cover this program of JCI. I, being the National President of JCI India for the year 2025, am currently visiting Goa, which is a part of Zone 11 of JCI India. JCI India is divided into 28 zones across the country, and this is Zone 11 of JCI India, and I'm here on my official visit to meet the members, to see the activities that are happening here, to share with them the vision of JCI India for the year 2025, and overall get a picture of what JCI activities are happening, how we are able to contribute to the society in Goa and in and around Goa. So with that purpose, I am here, and I'll be here for the next 2 days. I've already had the opportunity of meeting some members and experienced the kind of projects that they are doing, where they have adopted schools and are working with children, they are working with teachers, they are helping the community in various different ways to sustain themselves, to grow and create a positive impact around them. Just a little bit about JCI itself, if I can. JCI is an international organization which is present in over 130 countries with over 3 lakh members. And the best part of JCI, or the unique part of thing about JCI, is that in JCI we seek to empower our own members to make them better individuals. And we believe that as better individuals, when they go out in the community and they go out as better leaders, and they then are able to create proactively positive impact in the community that they live, positive impact in their lives that they live, and they become leaders, good leaders, leaders with good values in their professional life, in their social life, in their personal lives, in their political life, if that is what they choose. And that is exactly what JCI is doing across the world and in India. I just in Goa and in parts of Maharashtra which belong to Zone 11, I think JCI has been working here for more than 50 years, and for 50 years we have been constantly providing service to the community in different forms. We have built toilets, we have had multiple awareness programs, health camps, blood donation drives, and so many things that we are doing. So we hope that this year too we will be able to continue all those great initiatives that we have taken to help the society, and the other initiatives in the training area to help our members become better individuals, and we will continue to serve in a positive manner. We have about over 50,000 people who are actively associated with us, and they are working in their various local communities. For the community development, there are a variety of different projects that we are doing. Some of them, if I may highlight, we have constructed multiple toilets in schools for girls schools across the country. We have distributed sanitary pad disposal machines because they are a very big health hazard. There have been multiple instances where our local organizations have adopted schools that are not doing so well, underprivileged schools, and our organization have built those schools up, upgraded them by building their infrastructure, classrooms, desks, benches, libraries, computer labs have been built by our members, parks have been built by our members for children. So a variety of activities for children is also being done. We also have a program called Need Blood, called JCs, where our members are constantly, actively, proactively donating blood. We also have a scholarship program for children between the ages of children in the classes of 9 to 12, children who belong to underprivileged, families, BPL families, who are good in studies, but because of their financial difficulties, they are not able to continue their studies. For such children, we have a scholarship program where every year JCI is giving scholarship to almost 3,000 students across the country. We collect the data from, with the help of our local organizations. We filter the data, we select about 3,000 people or whatever kind of fund we may have at that point in time, and we give them subsidies. So these are the various activities that JCI is doing to help the community around us. One of the uniqueness, if you will ask me, is the fact that it is Goa. And Goa in itself, by virtue of it being Goa, is unique. Goa is a very, I'm missing the right word, but it is probably a place where people from all walks of life and across the country come, and it is always crowded with tourists. Yes, so anything that we do here gets amplified across the country and across the world even. So I think this is the best or the unique part of Goa, is that it is the inspirational hotspot. We do something here, something good here, and we promote it, and we inspire people around the world, through a little activity that was done here, because people from all over the world converge in Goa. So that is something very unique. Most of my plan revolves around meeting members and interacting with them, understanding their queries, if they have any difficulties, or getting suggestions from them so that we can improve our programs further. And that is exactly what I have been doing since morning, and that is exactly what I'll continue to do throughout tomorrow. In fact, today evening also. We have what is known as a zone governing board. So there is a zone governing board of zone 11, and I'll be meeting them also. So they are the people who are responsible for managing the affairs of JCI within the entire zone 11. And I'll be meeting with them, interacting with them, and getting a hands-on experience or hands-on feedback of what is happening and what can happen better. All I will like to end with is saying that JCI is a youth organization of people between the ages of 18 to 40. And this is the best place for anyone to come and become the best versions of themselves. So I invite everybody to look out for JCI and see the activities that are happening here and find out what inspires you, and connect with us to create better impact, greater impact in the society.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.